Hello everyone, welcome to Asian Academy's YouTube channel. In this video, we'll be talking about the new opportunity which has been released by our one and only Union Public Service Commission for Engineering Services Examination. Now, this is the notification which is justifying Engineering Services Examination 2026. Now, what we can do is this official notification previously which was postponed. Now, this is your dated 26 September 2025. This particular notification has provided you the considerations of how to apply for the examination for the year 2026. So you need to go to the official website upsceonline.nic.in and you need to go for one-time registration, and then based upon that you need to apply. Over here, candidates need to show their eligibility also, right? And basic eligibility is that you need to be within the age limit. 21 to 30 years is the age limit for unreserved category, 3 years of relaxation for OBC and SEAL category, 5 years of relaxation for SC/ST category, right? And you need to be minimum in your final year, and based upon that you can apply. Obviously, you need to have your engineering degree as well once you appear for your final selection. So last date for submission of the applicants has been mentioned that it will start from 26th of September 2025 to 16th of October 2025. So 16th of October 2025 until 6 p.m. is the last date of applying for this particular examination. Now, as we know that your prelims examination, negative marking will be how much? Negative marking is 1/3 negative marking. Objective type, it is there. Each question carries 2 marks, and consecutively, we all know this, that paper 1 will be general studies and engineering aptitude, and paper 2 will be your engineering discipline questions. In paper 1, they'll be asking you 200 marks questions of 200 marks total, and 100 questions will be there. Each question will carry 2 marks. 1/3 of negative marking will be there. Apart from that, each question in your paper 2 will also carry 2 marks, and total number of questions will be 150, and total numbers will be 300. And based upon that, you can see for your the preparation strategy as well. Apart from that, everything has been mentioned that okay, what kind of documents are required to be uploaded and everything. So you need to also keep in mind the disciplines. Category 1 is civil engineering, category 2 is mechanical, category 3 is electrical, and category 4 comes in electronics, right? And recruitment considerations are there. Apart from that, for civil engineering, Group A services posts, it will be in Central Engineering Services, as we all know. Central Engineering Services roads, Group A civil engineering post, Survey of India Group A post, AEE in Border Roads Organization or Border Roads Engineering Services. Apart from that, AEE positions in Military Engineering Services, Surveyor Cadre, and apart from that, Central Water Engineering Service, Group A service, it is there. Indian Skill Development Service, Indian Railway Management Services, civil positions, and Indian Railway Management Services stores, civil engineering positions. So you need to keep in mind, we have been discussing the fact that civil engineers were demotivated because Indian Railway Management Services were not recruiting through GATE exam, were not recruiting through engineering services previously. Now what they have come back, right, since last year. So it's a positive sign for the year 2026 as well. Category 2, it will be mechanical engineering. As we can see, mechanical engineering for GSI Engineering Services Group A, Indian Naval Material Management Services. Apart from that, Defense Aeronautical Quality Assurance Service, Border Roads Engineering Service, Indian Skill Development Service, Indian Railway Management Services, Indian Railway Management Services for stores, Indian Enterprise Development Service, Indian Enterprise Development Service for grade 1 and grade 2, both AEE grade A positions for Corps of EME, Ministry of Defense, right? And category 3 is your electrical engineering. It will be in Central Electrical and Mechanical Engineering Services, Indian Naval Material Management Service, Central Power Engineering Services Group A, Defense Aeronautical Quality Assurance Service. After that, Skill Development Service, Indian Enterprise Development Services, Indian Railway Management Services, and also your Ministry of Defense positions, right? Apart from that, category 4, electronics communication, Indian Radio Regulatory Services, Indian Telecommunication Service, Indian Naval Material Management Service, Defense Aeronautical Quality Assurance Service, Skill Development, Junior Telecom Officer, um, Group B positions, Indian Enterprise Development Services, Indian Railway Management Services, and also your Ministry of Defense positions, right? So keep it in mind the fact that um, the department choices which you are required to fulfill, the preference corresponding to your choices only you are required to fill. Central Engineering Service preliminary examination will be held in all of these states. You can take a screenshot of this if you want. And obviously, this notification is available on the official website as well. Centers for Engineering Services mains and main examination, as you can see, these are your for mains examinations. Eligibility criteria, as we know that you need to be an Indian citizen. Based upon that, you can apply. Obviously, Nepal, Bhutan people can also go for it. Age limits: a candidate for this examination must have attained 21 years and must not be above 30 years. And the date of consideration of that is 1st of January 2026. Apart from that, here the candidate who has been continuously in a temporary service on a regular basis in a particular department of service for at least 3 years on the 1st of January, column 1 and column 2 has been mentioned over here, right? Upper age limit is relaxable up to 5 years for candidates who belong to SC/ST category, 3 years for OBC category, 3 years for defense services personals, and also for maximum up to 5 years for ex-servicemen as well, right? And based upon your considerations, different considerations of physically handicapped as well, right? If you want to check it out, you can check it out by downloading the official website as well. Apart from that, a candidate of Engineering Services 2026 will be eligible to get the benefit of EWS reservation as well. As per the central government norms and everything, you are supposed to, provide the income statement of financial year 24-25 and issued after 1st of April 2025. And similarly, considerations of dates have been mentioned for OBC category as well. Apart from that, you can see all communication in this regard of so minimum education qualification, obviously you need to have a degree in engineering from a recognized university, and obviously then you can apply for the positions. Apart from that, there are enormous other things as well you can apply. Medical examination fee is also there. Medical examination, once you will be selected, will be as per Government of India norms, and also 200 rupees will be your fees of applying for this particular exam. Candidates which are female, SC, ST and PWBD category, they are exempted from any fees over here, right? And how to apply? You need to go to the official website upsc.online.nic.in, and then you can go and apply for the examination, right? Apart from that, there are more important things as well. Let's discuss them. Yes, last date of submission of applications will be 16th of October till 6 p.m. in the evening, right? And you are supposed to fill the choices and everything corresponding to the departments in which the vacancies have been released. They have shortlisted all of those over there. Now let's discuss the plan of the examination. So section 1, as you can see in this over here, there will be 3 stages to your examination. And we all know this, that there is preliminary examination objective type, stage 1, in which there will be your 2 papers will be there. One will be your general studies and engineering aptitude, and then will be stage 2. That stage 2 examination will be a conventional type examination, in which there will be again 2 papers. Half of the syllabus is asked in the morning examination and half in the evening examination, and then the students who will qualify will be called for personality test, right? The stage 1 is for 500 marks, stage 2 is for 600 marks, and the stage 3, that is your personality test, will be of 200 marks. So total will be 1300 marks, and based upon that you can get your selection process. As you can see clearly, as mentioned previously, general studies and engineering aptitude 2 hours, 200 marks will be there. Civil engineering 3 hours of examination, 300 marks, total will be 500 marks, and you can apply. And then after that, mechanical engineering also it is same, 500 marks for the stage 1. Similarly for other engineering domains, electrical and electronics also. There is no difference in that. Then mains examination, paper 1 civil engineering, paper 2 civil engineering, you can see 3 hours, 300 marks, 600 marks for all the domains they have particularly mentioned over here. So total will be what, 600 marks for the stage 2, and then will be your personality test, and personality test will be, your technical questions, some non-technical questions, current affair questions, which will be asked in the interview itself, right? Moreover, if you are a student who has been preparing for engineering services and who has qualified mains examination, do check out our latest notifications corresponding to the interview guidance program at ACE Academy as well. Do check it out once we make it public. Apart from that, syllabus has also been mentioned, and syllabus for this consideration of all the subjects, right, all the streams, it is same. For general studies it is same, general studies and engineering aptitude it is same, and total number of 10 topics are there. Current issues is there, and then engineering aptitude is there, logical reasoning, engineering mathematics and numerical analysis, general principles of design, drawing, importance of safety, standards of safety and quality, quality in production, construction, maintenance and services, basics of environment and in energy and environment is there, basics of project management is there, information communication technology, basics of material science is there, ethics and values in the engineering profession are also to be considered. Right, these are the 10 topics which are supposed to be considered, right? Civil engineering syllabus has been mentioned over here, right? And to be more precise, there are n number of videos which are available on our YouTube channel corresponding to the syllabus, detailed syllabus discussion for the various domains, right? And we will be coming forward with the technical syllabus details as well in the future also, right? We'll make updated videos corresponding to the detailed syllabus. So for all the streams, you can check out the detailed syllabus consideration and the weightage analysis of various subjects as well, and the importance of subjects also for both prelims and mains we can consider, right, in the future as well. We'll be discussing it on our YouTube channel as well. Apart from that, all the things have been primarily mentioned, right? Selection process and everything has been told to you now. These are the main things which are required to be discussed from this particular notification. Not much more, right? These are the basic things. If you want to check out other things, right, which are very small things and everything, you can just check it out over here about the examination hall and everything, right? You are supposed to carry black pen, blue pen, right? Ball pen should be there for filling of the OMR sheet and everything. You are not supposed to take calculators and everything. All the considerations have been mentioned. The basic things have been mentioned in this notification, which can be a problem. This will be your OMR sheet and roll numbers scenario, somewhat like this, right? Everything has been mentioned corresponding to the requirements of the students and the extra forms which are required to be filled, especially for the caste category students as well. You can check out the notification, right? Apart from that, do check out our further videos as well, like this video, share it with your friends, and do fill the form for engineering services if you are a student who has been preparing for GATE and engineering services both for the next year 2026. Now also GATE examination was supposed to overlap with engineering services previously. Now what they are doing is the dates will be released correspondingly. That has been notified by the GATE committee. So without further ado, you can just fill the form and keep on preparing for your competitive exams. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.